Alright guys, Austen Thomson here. I am going to show you how to tong this hair in a way that gives you this cool bendy texture. Hey, so this is Gabby from Brazil. So she's got like super dark hair and we pre-lightened it all and used a really cool little toner. So if you guys are interested in learning how to retouch a small 6-week root that's really dark and lighten up to this level without getting any bleeding or breakage, then get subscribed to the channel and I will upload that in one of my next couple of videos, alright? So let's get into this little technique. This is a technique that I think is quite a nice way to move the hair forward from this perfect ringlet that we see all the time on social media, and it looks a little bit forced and a bit overdone. So this is a technique that I've been working on. I'd like you guys to have a little shot of it and give me some feedback, let me know what you think. The technique is taking the section, right, wind it round, not too close to the root, wind it round one rotation for one full curl, right, hold it for a few seconds and then move down the hair and then do the opposite direction for one full rotation and let that set, and then work on the very ends in the opposite direction. So then you've got sort of multi-directional curl, which will give you this interesting, quite cool texture. I'm into hair being a little bit loose and a bit messy, so you'll probably see some of that through my videos and my work. I like hair to move, so I've prepped the hair with a little bit of styling mousse, but I don't really use a lot of hairspray. So this is then brushed out using a soft brush, just working it, massaging it a little bit. Just get a little feel for how you want that texture to go. Don't be scared of like dressing it out. So I pinch it and just break the curl out a bit and just spend a little bit of time personalising it and making it look the way that I want it to look for the video for you guys. So I hope you like this video. If you do, get yourself subscribed to my channel and leave me a comment, like the video, and I'll see you in the next video.